Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One and this is another seedling update video. You guys, look at my zucchini flower. I love the way these flowers look. I want to say thank you to my new subscribers and my returning ones. And look at my watermelon, you guys, and the dill looks good too. The watermelon plants are doing so well. Peekaboo. Up next we have the radishes, and you guys, I believe I let the radishes grow a little bit longer than need to be because they are kind of big, a little swollen, right? I inserted a clip when I harvest them at the right time, and look at this, you don't even see the white part at the bottom anymore. Up next we have the cauliflower, which something's been eating it, but overall it looks good. Up next we have the herb garden, which has lettuce, kale, thyme, and spinach. Now we have the ginger. I got a better shot this time, guys. Coming up is the tomatoes and onions. It looks good. Now we have the tomatoes and basil, and something's been eating my basil. Now we have the tower that's coming up next with the different types of peppers and eggplant and a cauliflower at the bottom. So let's see how that do. So you guys, this is week 10 seedlings, and if you want to see how I got here, please click on this link here, and if you made it this far to the end, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Love you guys. Bye.